What really happened to the Alaoji power plant in Abia State? We are talking about a multi-billion naira energy project that could power the entire southeast. So why has it remained largely dormant for years? Let me walk you through the real story with facts, figures, and some much needed clarity. Hello everyone, we welcome you again to Ebonyi People TV, where we break down the stories that matter, especially those shaping the future of the southeast. The Alaoji power plant, located in Ugunagbo local government area in Abia State, just outside Aba, is one of the biggest energy projects under the National Integrated Power Project (NIPP). The design is impressive. A 1,074 megawatt combined cycle gas turbine plant capable of supplying electricity to millions of Nigerians, especially in the southeast. To put that in perspective, if fully functional, this plant alone could light up cities like Aba, Umuahia, Enugu, Awka, Abakaliki, Owerri, and still have capacity left. The project was initiated during the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan and was expected to be delivered in phases. Phase 1 was a simple circle setup with 4 gas turbines, each producing 126.1 megawatts, totaling 504.4 megawatts. This phase was completed and inaugurated in 2015. While the phase 2, the big one, was meant to convert the plant into a combined cycle plant, adding steam turbines to push the total capacity to over 1,000 megawatts. Unfortunately, that second phase is still under construction. Now, here is where the real issues begin. According to recent reports from the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, the Alaoji plant has not generated a single unit of electricity in over 1 year. And why is that, you may want to ask? The plant requires a specific level of gas pressure to run its massive turbines, but the gas supply available cannot meet those technical demands, rendering the turbines useless despite being fully installed. NERC also revealed that Alaoji recorded a 0% availability factor in 2 consecutive quarters, Quarter 4 of 2023 and Quarter 1 of 2024. In simple terms, that means the plant has been completely idle, not because it's broken, but because it's starving for proper gas feedstock. Let's not forget also, this plant is costing Nigerians billions of naira and it's barely functioning. It's also worth noting that hundreds of jobs, potential business expansions, and industrial growth tied to this power plant are all on hold due to technical and bureaucratic setbacks. That's why this isn't just an Abia problem, it's a Southeast problem and frankly, a national problem. Here is where things get really interesting. Governor Otti of Abia State has not kept quiet about this issue. In fact, in 2024, he visited the Alaoji plant alongside Chief Emeka Offor, chairman of Chrome Group, the company handling the project, to discuss ways to revive the stalled second phase and ensure reliable power supply for the entire state. Governor Otti's goal is clear: to ensure that Umuahia and other local government areas not covered by geometric power get stable, sustainable electricity through the completion of Alaoji. And speaking of geometric power, it's also worth mentioning that the Aba ring-fenced area, which includes 9 local government areas in Abia State, already enjoys exclusive power supply from that project. So, Governor Otti is trying to balance the grid by ensuring the rest of Abia is not left in darkness. From an energy expert's perspective, solving this problem is not impossible. Here are some suggestions. 1. Ensure adequate gas pressure by upgrading supply infrastructure. 2. Explore alternative fuel supply chains or gas compression technologies. 3. Complete the combined cycle phase as quickly as possible. 4. Strengthen public-private partnerships with firms like Chrome Group. 5. Apply political pressure where needed to unlock funds. Most importantly, there needs to be transparency and accountability so the public understands where their money is going and when power will finally be delivered. So yes, there is still hope for Alaoji power plant. but only if the right actions are taken quickly and consistently. Imagine what the Southeast would look like with stable power supply, factories buzzing, businesses booming, homes and hospitals with reliable electricity. This isn't just fantasy, it's within reach. At Ebonyi People TV, we'll keep watching, reporting, and sharing stories like this because power is not just about electricity, it's about the future of our people. This is Ebonyi People TV, your voice, your story, your power.